Hello everyone, I'm here today to talk about shoulder pain. Shoulder joint being the most mobile joint in the body at the cost of its stability, therefore it is more prone to injuries. Now the causes of the injuries can be many more. It can be overused activity, forceful activity, it can be repetitive activity, degenerative causes, postural causes and many more. Now the stability of the joint is maintained by the stabilizers of the joint, which we call as the dynamic stabilizers. Now what are these dynamic stabilizers? Dynamic stabilizers are the group of muscles which maintain the stability of the joint when the joint is in motion. So here today I will demonstrate to you a group of exercises which you can perform when you land up into any sort of shoulder pain. But here again I remind you, if while doing these exercises you feel any kind of pain or the intensity of the pain increases, please stop it then and there and contact Dr. Rajni Patil for further help. So let's do these exercises. The first set of exercises are going to be for the rotators of the shoulder joint, which are the internal and external rotators of the shoulder joint. Now for that, if you have 1 kg weight at home, that's well and good, but if you don't have, that's okay. You can take a 1 liter water bottle filled and you can use that. So you can take the water bottle, hold it in hand like this, horizontally. Your hand move position would be like this, 90 degree, elbow and tucked in your body. Don't keep it open, don't keep it back, don't keep it ahead like this, in line with your body at 90 degree. Okay, so for external rotation, you are going to turn the hand outside. With the other hand, just stabilize your upper arm and turn the hand outside and bring back to the normal position. Again, turn it out, bring back to the normal position. For internal rotation, turn it inside completely and get back to the normal position. Turn it inside, get back to the normal position. Now the protocol for this is 15 repetitions into set of 3. The other exercise is for the retractors of the shoulder. Now what does the retractors of the shoulder do? It maintains the alignment of your shoulder. It doesn't allow your shoulder to droop like this, so your posture is maintained if your retractors are strong enough. Now again for that same, hold 1 kg weight or hold 1 liter water bottle. Anything is fine. So holding 1 kg weight in your arm, your elbow should be 90 degree angle, your arm should be 90 degree in this position, tucked to your body. Don't take it behind, don't droop it ahead like this, don't open your arm like this, keep it tucked to your body. Keep your alignment, body alignment straight, stand straight, keep your core tight, hold it tight. Okay, now the movement you have to do is you have to slide your shoulder behind by squeezing your back, upper back, and then relax. Slide your shoulder behind, squeeze your upper back and relax. Hold your core tight, do the movement again, slide it behind, bring back to the normal position, relax. The other exercises for the supraspinatus muscle. The movement of this muscle is abduction, that is taking your arm outside of the body at 15 degree angle. Okay, so again for this same, you can use 1 liter water bottle filled or 1 kg weight, whatever you have at home. Take 1 little water bottle, hold it in your hand horizontally. Okay, keep your body straight, your shoulders straight, tight, and just take your arm out at 15 degree. Hold this posture for 5 counts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Again, take your arm out, hold the posture for 5 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way you have to do for 10 repetitions with the set of 3. So holding the posture for 5 counts, doing that for 10 repetitions and doing it into the set of 3. So 5 into 10 into 3. Next one is for the flexors of the shoulder and the biceps, long head of biceps, the very popular muscle of the arm. So for that, you have to again take 1 liter water bottle in your hand or 1 kg weight, anything is fine. Hold it like this. Again, your arm 90 degree, your elbow 90 degree, tucked into your body. Keep your body straight, shoulders straight, and just raise your arm at 90 degree angle. Hold that posture for 5 counts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Come back to the normal position. Again, take it up at 90 degree. Hold the posture for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. In this angle, I'll show you. Take it up. Hold at 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So the protocol for this goes as 5 counts, hold into 10 repetitions into set of 3. So 5 into 10 into 3. The other set of exercises for the middle trapezius. Now the work of middle trapezius is to maintain the alignment of the shoulder, maintain it straight and tight and not let it stoop down. For this, again, you have to stand in erect position, tuck in your core, maintain your core, raise your arm up to 90 degree, turn your arm upside down so that your palm is facing towards the ceiling, your thumb outside. Now for this, you have to take your arm behind and bring it back to the position. Take it behind, bring it back to the normal position. So here, make sure you're using your upper back, and you're using your upper back to squeeze in and take your arm behind, and then relax. Squeeze your upper back and take your arm behind, and then relax. This again you have to do for 15 repetitions into 3 sets. So 15 into 3 is the protocol for this muscle. So here we go with all these set of exercises. Please do and let us know your feedback. For any other queries and consultation, you are always free to call Dr. Rajni Patil, Ortho Sports, at any time. Please stay home and stay safe. Thank you.